You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
What up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we are doing a lit playlist. Just so you guys know, I wanted to get painted. I've been seeing everybody do the lit playlist. I love to do what I watch on YouTube, so I have been watching these lit playlists, and I'm like, all I do is listen to bangers 24/7 while I get ready. So I was like, let me just bring you guys in my little box. Normally, I have uncopyrighted music, but today who cares? We're putting it out there. We're gonna put the real artists out there, what I'm listening to, okay? I hope you guys really like this lit playlist. I had so much fun doing it. It was like hilarious, you guys. Great vibes only. I want you guys to leave good comments. Anything negative you guys know will be what? Blocked on this channel. So if you got any hate or anything, you just keep that in your lane. You can click off the video before you get started. But we're about to get painted to a lit playlist with bangers and trap music. So if you can't take that, I need you just to click off right now. I'll give you a second. All right, so if you're still here, you're ready to see the bangers. Okay, so you're about to get the main event, the main event, huh? The mug. I love you guys. Have such a good day. Slide it over.
Chasing all this paper chasing. I'm like a bad doctor, I ain't got no patience. I'm gonna work for months, I won't take vacation.
Alrighty, so the first step, we're gonna use some chapstick, you guys. You really can't see it, but this is the brand Nerds, and I love the way it smells. So we're gonna put a little bit of the Nerds chapstick on our lips just to start out, okay? The foundation that we are going to use today is the Juvia's Place foundation in the shade 300 Gabon. I still love this Juvia's Place foundation.
This how you get your frame to money. I got money. I got money.
I'm being great till they gotta be great. Woo. I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch. Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got thought problems, that's a human in me. Bling bling, then I saw them, that's the goddess in me. You coulda had a bad bitch, not the middle. Help me with your career, just a little. You supposed to hold me down, but you're holding me back, and that's the sound of me not calling you back. Why I'm being great till they gotta be great? Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friends have me done with some bombshell. Share with press, get you out of my hair.
They sleeping on me. But I don't waste my time trying to prove that I'm something to see. Oh, the real ones ain't knowing, the ones that do not, I don't need.
Alrighty, so I'm just applying foundation right now. I will be getting a Real Techniques diamond sponge and blending the foundation out. This Juvia's Place foundation is absolutely beautiful. Still one of my favorite foundations.
Go bitch, go bestie. Can't fuck with these hoes cause they messy. Go bitch, go bestie. Can't fuck with these hoes cause they messy. Go bitch, go bestie. Can't fuck with these hoes cause they messy. Go bestie. Then my motherfucking best friend.
Cause they messy, go bestie. Then my motherfucking best friend, bestie. Then my motherfucking best friend, bestie. Then my motherfucking best friend. Then my what? Then my motherfucking best friend.
Hey, shorty, she gon' ride, she gon' die
for me. Yeah, I know all my niggas, they gon' slide for me. I be going up when you going down on me. When I come through, I got the 4 pound on me. Every time I'm on the scene, I be tooling up. When you coming through, I see to put your jury up. In a dually truck, Doodle got his tooling up. I love my baby.
Good Gucci flip flops, fuck it, hit your bitch in massage. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off with a clock. 26 out, winter time, dropping the top. Give it to they pussy ass, turn this shit up a notch. Gucci flip flops, make it kick rock. It's a big clock, check the wrist watch. Gucci flip flops, fuck it, hit your bitch in massage. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off with a clock. Bad baby, got the bitches bustin' for cash. Doing dash, try to claim the bitch, I'm bustin' your ass. All the gun sounds, only bust down. A lot of these bitches mad 'cause they trash and they fucking for cash. Too official, blow the whistle, bitch, I'm fly as a bird. Take a picture, get your issue, bitch, and die on word. In the bank, fuck it up, poking that bitch with a shake, fuck it up. I'm about to look at your bag, make a double back and grab a tab. With Gucci flip flops, fuck it, hit your bitch in massage. Who won't be on the dick, won't be on the dick.
Baby, show me that shit, show me love.
Show me love, show me that shit. Show me love, show me love. Wobble on the dick, wobble up, wobble up, wobble on the dick, wobble up, wobble up. Show me that shit, show me love, show me love, show me that shit, show me love, show me love. Wobble.
Cookie cow, better bend the lock. All them other dudes had the chance, now they out of luck. When I bust a nut, I don't know, I wanna cut the lock. I went to the club and guess who I seen? A motherfucker that been stuck.
Yeah, that's my type, wrist new whip, right around dipped. I can see why all these basic hoes pissed. Buzz down wrist, not a buzz down bitch.
Said I want your man, no the fuck I don't fit. He a rich nigga, why you still hitting?
You know, this is a lit playlist as I do my makeup. So I'm zoning back and forth, you guys. I could have swore I cut the camera on. But anyway, you just grab a flat brush like this, you guys. I dabbed it in Pretty in Pink by Ben Nye, you guys. And I actually set that concealer underneath my eye. Now I'm going to set all the foundation. And I'm going to do like a light little contour, you guys. It's not really, I just really want like some warmth to my face. Whoosh has like the coolest thing, you guys. It has the contour and then it has the two blending colors for your skin tone, which I think is so cool. So it'll never be super strong. Like you can always tone it down. That's why I love a good old blending color. I'm just gonna put it like right here. I just want something really light today. Just let them know I have cheekbones for days, you know, just like. I hope you guys are enjoying this playlist. I'm over here knocking this morning. Feeling it. So I'm gonna contour my face, you guys, and I think we have another song that just needs to just start playing.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I fuck him like I'm Mr.
Fuck your subpoenas and your misdemeanors. Was too busy touring out all your arenas. My passport is tattered, it look like it's active. I play on these planes, y'all catch me in traffic. Y'all drag me in court for the action. Y'all back was after all of these years of drug traffic. Lies best recognized real quick, bitch. You got the wrong bitch.
Cold ass bitch, I give raw chills. Stand up and look so my lips so kill.
So my neck fast. You get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash. You shake it real fast, you get a little more. Band to look cool. But some not do cool. I got touch it, I'll shoot. Bow, shake a little ass. You get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash. You shake.
Big bitches depressed. They know how I'm coming, real bitch in the flesh. Who the fuck she gon' check? She be talking that shit, talking out of her neck. But blood on her.
What? That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way. Yeah. Pray Almighty God, they let my dog out the kennel. When you get it straight up by the mud, you can't imagine this shit. I've been pulling up in the drop tops with the baddest bitches. Young nigga under no condition. Would you ever catch me slipping? Sip New York with the flowers, 5 gold Cubans. Champagne while I shop, hope I splurge foolish. Closing escrow twice this month in the sun of shit.
Okay, you guys, so if you made it to the end of the video, you already know what I'm about to say. You are a real one. You are not a hater, and you are so successful. Thank you guys so much for watching this, my lit playlist. I know you guys always want to know what a player's listening to because I'm always putting it on my Instagram stories. So I was like, let's get ready this morning. Let's do a lit playlist. Let's get the bangers cracking. I hope you guys enjoyed the music. If you guys got songs that you want me to check out or put in my next playlist video, you guys need to leave it in the comment box. I love your lives. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel. You guys already know what I'm about to say, player. Never let a hater mess your day up. Never let a hater mess your day up. Never let a hater mess your day up. Said I never let a hater mess your day up. And I never let a hater mess your day up. You know, just good vibes only around here. I hope you guys have such a good day. I love your lives. You guys have such a good one. Bye. Yeah. Yeah, you. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, I'm going to give you like a second because I'm going to wait. Because I don't think you did. Okay, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you cut that bell on, player. What that bell does is tell you when I put out these hot videos. So you need to know. So you can be the first. You don't want to be late. We want to be early to the party. Yeah, you. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Love your life. And down here is some new videos. So you guys need to check that out. Your boy puts blood, sweat, and tears into this. So you guys watch the videos. Love your life.